G'day, g'day, and welcome to another fine episode of Don't Ever Build a Car. Here we are on day number 7,964, and what we've done is we have cut out our cluster, well, our back piece for our gauge cluster, and that is going to go in there like such, and to hold it in there I'm going to put these little fuckers in here like so. They go in there. So what I'm going to do is I want to cut these down so they're only one hole. I don't want them to be that high, so I'm going to cut one off there like that. Then I've got to get in here, and what I did was I put some bloody putty around there so the face will sit in one spot, because it was basically just coming in and just falling over. So we need it to be in an exact spot we want it to be every time. So I'm just going to sand all these down, grind them down, grind those off there. Those will get welded in there. Well, actually what I'll do is I'll have these, so I'll screw these in first on there. I'm gonna probably weld a nut on the back here, and then what'll happen is I'll put a countersink in there. I've got some stainless steel bolts, screwy bolts, threaded screws, whatever you want to call them. I'll have them countersinked. Hopefully that'll just sit right up there so it's flush, so it'll just be a tiny little knob on the back of it. And then once that's done there, then I can weld them in there like that, and then continue on from there. So that's going to take a rather long time to do, so might be time to get the fuck on with it. Alrighty, I'm going to go cut these off, and I'll be back. fucking bitch. Techno.
Cosmo, rave.